Russia's full-scale assault on Ukraine in early 2022 triggered a radical overhaul of artillery strategies across Europe. The extensive deployment of long-range firepower, combined with real-time intelligence and surveillance, has reignited interest in multiple launch rocket systems, MLRS, among European forces, systems that had been largely phased out after the Cold War. Today, NATO's European members are racing to rearm with cutting-edge rocket artillery to deliver both saturation barrages and pinpoint strikes. Leading this modernization surge are three standout systems: the US M142 Himars, South Korea's K239 Chunmoo, and Israel's PULS. The Himars system has emerged as a symbol of modern rocket artillery effectiveness during the Ukraine conflict. Designed to launch both GMLRS rockets, 70 to 80 km range with near 10-meter precision, and ATACMS missiles, reaching up to 300 km, Himars has proven its devastating utility against supply hubs, command posts, and troop gatherings. Its battlefield reputation has sparked a series of European procurements. Estonia committed over $200 million to purchase 6 Himars units, including ATACMS capabilities, with deliveries set for 2024. Lithuania followed, ordering 8 systems under a $495 million deal, and Latvia joined in with 6 Himars units valued at nearly $195 million, scheduled for arrival in 2027. All acquisitions go through Lockheed Martin, reinforcing America's dominance in Europe's emerging precision strike landscape. Highly mobile and mounted on a 6x6 chassis, the Himars system requires only a small team to operate and can quickly fire 6 guided rockets or a single tactical missile. Its seamless fit with NATO command structures, ease of air transport, and straightforward maintenance make it particularly attractive for expeditionary units and smaller nations seeking enhanced medium-range firepower. Meanwhile, Poland, already a Himars customer since 2019, opted to expand and diversify by heavily investing in South Korea's K239 Chunmoo platform, locally designated as HOMAR-K. In November 2022, Poland inked a $3.55 billion deal for 218 Chunmoo launchers, followed by another $1.6 billion contract in April 2024 for an additional 72 units. This massive purchase of 290 systems represents the largest European MLRS acquisition since the end of the Cold War. The Chunmoo system, mounted on an 8x8 vehicle, can unleash a wide array of munitions, ranging from 130mm free-flight rockets to guided 239mm missiles, offering engagement distances from 36 to almost 290 kilometers. Featuring dual modular pods, it adapts easily to different mission profiles. Notably, Poland plans to incorporate domestically manufactured munitions, bolstering its defense industry and strategic autonomy. On another front, Israel's Elbit Systems offers the PULS, Precise and Universal Launching System, as a flexible, modular alternative. Capable of firing rockets from 122mm to 370mm calibers, including extra missiles with 150 km reach and high-precision killer rounds, the PULS is gaining traction across Europe. Denmark secured 8 PULS units as part of a broader $252 million deal in 2023, which also included Atmos howitzers. The Netherlands followed suit with an order for 20 systems worth $305 million, with deliveries slated through 2027. Spain, aiming to localize production through its Xylem program, signed a $754 million contract to manufacture licensed PULS systems domestically in collaboration with Rheinmetall, Expal, and Estrabano. In Germany, a more ambitious approach is underway with the EuroPULS initiative, a collaboration between Elbit Systems and Krauss-Maffei-Wegmann, KMW, aimed at adapting the PULS system to European standards. EuroPULS plans to incorporate European munitions, NATO-compatible software, and tailor launch platforms for continental forces. The system is currently in demonstration stages and could form a pillar of future European defense projects. The PULS launcher operates on either 6x6 or 8x8 trucks and can carry combinations such as 4 150 km extra missiles or 20 35 km Aquila rockets, offering flexibility from pinpoint strikes to area suppression. Despite this wave of modernization, a significant share of Europe's rocket artillery still relies on outdated Cold War systems like the M270 launchers in Germany, France, and Italy. Even upgraded variants like France's LRU, Lance-Roquettes Unitaire, remain limited in capabilities, unable to fire extended-range rockets or ballistic missiles like ATACMS. France's operational inventory, reportedly between 13 and 18 units, falls far short of what modern conflicts demand. Efforts to close this gap are underway. In addition to European PULS, Paris and Berlin are in early discussions about a Franco-German project to build a next-generation long-range strike system, possibly linked to the broader MGCS, Main Ground Combat System, framework. However, concrete prototypes have yet to materialize, and parallel programs are focusing on drone swarms, precision surface-to-surface missiles, and initiatives like the Katana guided artillery shell. The dramatic acceleration in MLRS acquisitions signals a profound strategic pivot. No longer seen as inaccurate relics of a past era, modern rocket systems offer unparalleled speed, precision, and volume, perfectly suited for counter-battery fire, supply chain disruption, and rear-echelon command decapitation missions. Integration with real-time ISR assets such as drones and satellite feeds is enabling rapid, accurate strikes at ranges up to 300 kilometers. The return of heavy rocket artillery underscores its critical role in future high-intensity warfare, not only for battlefield support but also for deep operational disruption. The ability to deliver punishing salvos and relocate almost immediately makes MLRS platforms vital for both precision attacks and area denial. Europe's broad sourcing from the US, South Korea, and Israel highlights a desire to diversify suppliers, but also poses challenges related to interoperability, logistics, and strategic autonomy. Building a fully European MLRS ecosystem, encompassing launchers, munitions, and support networks, remains a strategic priority yet to be achieved.